I don't know, man. The green one just tastes a little bit different to me.
No, Brennan, all M&Ms taste the same. The color doesn't matter.
Well, I don't really...
Wait. Shh. Do you hear that?
know what...
Shut up! Listen.
I heard it.
What the frick is that?
Oh, man. I knew ass bears lived around this neighborhood.
What the hell are ass bears?
You know, assassin bears? Ass bears, dude.
Brennan, don't be silly. Ass bears do not exist.
Okay, then what was that noise?
I don't know, but we need to go find out. Come on. Brennan, what are you doing?
I'm looking up what to do in case of an ass bear attack.
Give me that. There are no such thing as ass bears.
What are we gonna do?
We need to fight it. It can't kill us if we kill it first.
Ass bear!
Brennan, there are no such thing as ass bears.
No, look behind you!
Oh, hi, Stabby.
What?
Yeah, this is my talking, walking teddy bear, Stabby.
Why, hello there, Brennan.
He must have been making the noise we heard.
Sure enough.
Okay...
Oh yeah, Brennan, you're wrong. Green M&Ms don't taste different.
Shut up! Oh!